Easy Tribe, fresh back off the education and bass tour in Australia, New Zealand and Japan. It was really good to meet some of you. Based on that tour, there was a few reoccurring themes that I'd really like to highlight again, just because I think they're really important. Number one, don't only listen to the genre you aspire to be in. Listen to everything else, including the stuff you think you hate. Number two, don't only watch the tutorials that are based on your genre. There's so much more to offer from different kinds of genres that you can bring into your boiling pot. Don't only watch tutorials based on the DAW or the software that you want to use, because again, there's so much more in Pro Tools, in Logic. It's all about workflow principles and theory. Go and learn the manual of the software you use, learn about the terminology of music technology, and go and watch and listen to as much as you can. Peace.